Hello guys, so today we will see how to delete a node where the position is given. So what it means. So here I created a simple void method which returns nothing, and then I took linked list as a parameter and then position as a parameter. So what it means. So I will just explain it again. I've explained it here. So I'm just taking one linked list. So consider this as a linked list. Okay. So here if I want to delete at position 0. So here it is in the position like 1 at position 0. What it means that so node 1 is at the position 0. Node 2 is at the position 1. Node 3 is at the position 2 and then node 4 is at the position 3. So it's like an array, so we will calculate the index from 0. So in the same way in linked list also we are considering the index. We will consider this index from 0. So if suppose for example if the given position is 0, then the node at 0 got deleted. If the position is 1, then the node at position 1 got deleted. If the position is 3, then the position is 2, then the node at position 2 got deleted. So we will see how to do that in code. So first of all, what we need. So we already know that for a linked list, we can only traverse from head. So I'm just taking the head. So I'm just making it as a current node list dot head, and then to delete the one. So if I want to delete a node at position 2, then I should know the previous node also, right? So I'm taking previous node. For the first time I don't know what is the previous node, so I'm making it as null. What if the position is 0? What if the given position is 0? Then what I have to do, I have to delete the node at position 0 and then I have to make 2 as the head node. So how to check that one? So I'm just writing it again, writing it here. So step 1 is, what if the position is 0? So first thing is we have to check like the node is not null. So the node exists, then only I can compare the data. So if the current node is not equal to null, and then if the position is 0, then what I have to do? I have to make list dot head equal to current node dot next. So what will happen here? So if the position is 0, I'm just deleting node 1. So here I will get the output like 2, 3, 4 and then null. Okay. So if the position is 0, I'm just deleting the head node. Means I'm deleting 1 and then making head as 2. So second condition is, what if it is not the head node? So which means that what if the position is 2? Then what I have to do? So what is at the position 2? Node 3 is at the position 2. So I will just repeat it again. So what is at the position 2? Node 3 is at the position 2. So how to check this one? So here I can use a for loop. Okay. So here I can use a for loop. And then I'm traversing from 0th position till, so here I'm again checking like the current node is not null. Okay, current node is not null, and then till the position, till that position I have to traverse, and then I'm incrementing I. So I will just repeat this part again. Okay. So I'll just repeat this part alone again. So here I'm traversing from 0th position. So 0th position till the position. So here if the position is 2, then I'm traversing from 0 to 1. I'm traversing from 0 to 1 because here I kept it like less than position. It is not, I didn't put it like less than or equal to position. So if the position is 2, it will traverse from 0 to 1. So if the position is 3, then it will just traverse from 0 to 2. Okay. So here I am making it as 2. So here I want to delete the node which is at the position 2. So what is at the position 2? 0, 1, 2. So at the position 2, node 3 is there. So node 3 is at position 2. Okay. So here I'm just keep track of previous node and the current node. So previous equal to, I'm making the current node as previous node, and then current equal to current dot next. So what happens here? So in the what happens here? In the first iteration, previous is 1 and the current node is 2. Okay. So position got incremented to 1. The next iteration, previous is 2 and the current is 3. And then when it comes to next iteration, I becomes 2. 2 less than, okay, next iteration it becomes 2, which is, so till 1 only we can able to do, because the position here which I given is 2. I will just repeat it again. So I am giving here the position as 2. Then it has to go from 2 till 1, which means that only 2 iteration can occur here. In that 2 iteration, the first iteration previous become 1 and then current becomes 2. In the next iteration previous become 2 and then current becomes 3. So here I have to check a condition like if the current node, if the current node equal to null. So what it means? It means that it reached the end. Means if suppose I am giving the position as 4. If you see here, there is no position 4 in this linked list. So if that is the case, it will reach null. It will reach till null. So if it reaches null, if the current becomes null, then I'm just going to return it. If suppose it found that position, so if the position is 2, then I can able to found this one. Yeah. So in the position 2, node 3 is there. So I can delete it. So if that is the case, I'm just making previous dot next node equal to current dot next. What happens here? What is previous? Previous is 2. So I'm making 2's next as, what is current node? Current node is 3, but here I am taking it as current node next. So what is current node next? What is 3's next? 3's next is 4. So I am making 4. So here I am getting output like 1, 2, and then I am making 2's next as 4, and then I am making it as null. So here this is the void method, so I am not going to return anything. It is. So I will just explain to you again and then we will see the output. Okay. So what I did here is, so I want to delete a node at position 0. If it is position 0, so first of all what I need head node, because from head node only I can able to traverse. So I am taking the head node as current node, and then previous. For the first time I don't know what is the previous node, because there is no previous node for the first time, right? If it is at 1, if the pointer is at 1, there is no previous node. So I am making previous as null. So what is the first condition? What if the position is 0? What if the position is 0? I have to delete the first node. So how can I delete the first node? I can make the head as 2. So how to do that? I am making the head as current node next. So this is the output which we will get if the position is 0. What if the position is 1, 2 or 3, not 0? If it is not 0, then what is the thing? So I have to do like, I have to traverse from 0 before that position, not equal to that position. So if the position is 2, then it has to traverse from 0 to 1. If the position is 3, it has to traverse from 0 to 2. If the position is 4, then it has to traverse from 0 to 3. So I'm just taking like if the current node is not equal to null till before that position. So I'm making previous as current and then current as current next. So here in the first iteration previous is 1 and then the current node is 2, and then the next iteration previous is 2 and then the current node is 3. So if the node is not found, if the position is not found, then it will go to null. Then we have to just return it, or otherwise I'm just making previous next as current next. So whatever output we want to get, we got it here. So yeah, we are getting the error. So why we are getting the error is if the position is 0, then I have to just make this one as head and I have to return it. Then only it will work. So in the print method, I'm just calling this method delete node with the position 0. With the position 0, so it got deleted the 1. If I want to delete the node at position 2, then 3 has to get deleted. So here I'm giving 2 and then I'm executing it again. So here if you see, it got deleted 1, 2 and then 3. So 3 at the position 2, so it got deleted. So like this we have to delete the node. So I will just explain it to you again. So what I did here is I'm just taking the head node as current, and then for the first time I don't know what is the previous node, and there is no previous node, so I'm just making it as null. So if the position is 0, so if the current node is not null and if the position is 0, then I have to make the current node next as the head, because I want to delete the first node. So if the position is not 0, then I'm just traversing from 0 to that it is not equal to that position. So if it is 3, it will just traverse from 0 to 2. Okay, so for the first iteration it will be like previous is 1 and then the current node is 2, and then the next iteration previous becomes 2 and then current becomes 3. So if the position is not even available, then it will go to null. If the current equal to null, then I'm just returning it. If the position is found, then I'm just making previous next equal to current dot next. So in the next video, we will see the linked list problems. I think these are all the basic things in linked list, like insertion, deletion, how to print the elements. In the next video, we will see how to find out the middle element. So like that, we will go on. Okay, so thank you.